This is the view as you first walk in the door, the living space. Kitchen area. It does have laminate flooring and a basic carpeting. And the countertops are a laminate countertop. Laundry. See if I can find a light. I have no idea what the light switch is, but the garage is full of stuff. Hall bathroom. Again, a laminate flooring, basic bathroom. Bedroom 1. And that's bedroom 2, but there's someone sleeping in there. And is it okay to come in? Bedroom, master bedroom.